In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your product listing from Walmart. So first thing, you're going to log in, you're going to go to catalog, you're going to find the item that you want to delete. You're going to click actions and then delete item. Now, sometimes it takes an hour or 24 hours to fully delete. My favorite thing is just to refresh the page and then just do it multiple times. Delete, 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 and see if it's gotten pushed through. There's also a how-to guide on Walmart's website, and it says get started. You're literally just going to do exactly what I said. Click on all the listings and then you can delete them, right? Where can I find my deleted items? You can go to your activity feed to find them. And how do I upload my completed inventory template? They have like a little bit of a how-to guide. Now, what they don't tell you is if it's not able to be deleted. So sometimes if it's, see how it says seller fulfilled, if it's Walmart fulfilled, or if it says seller fulfilled WFS eligible, sometimes Walmart won't let you delete it. Who knows why? That's just Walmart, okay? So if that does happen, then you can retire it. So instead of deleting it, you can retire it. You just click retire, and after, if delete doesn't work, you can click retire. Just do that multiple times. Again, there's a guide on how to retire it. It's exactly what I just showed you how to do. And then my personal trick, if you just are like, okay, this is annoying, it's not retiring, it's not deleting, it's still showing published and active, what you can do is do the 99999 trick, something that I just made up, but you just put in tons of nines like this, you update the price, and then pretty much after an hour, you come back and your whole listing will pretty much say status unavailable or error, and it's going to be kicked off of Walmart. So that's my other pro trick to help you in today's video. Of course, you can contact seller support. They just aren't very good at all at their job, but I gave you some tips to help you on Walmart. But that's it for today's video. What's the biggest challenge you faced when selling on Walmart? Leave a comment below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Walmart, customer service, design, advertising, and of course, increasing your sales. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, like monitoring your listings, optimizing your listings. We're going to be there to help you fix all of your issues before they happen and help you save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.